In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts views stuck. Intro. First things first, always open up YouTube Studio. If you don't have this, go ahead and download YouTube Studio. Go ahead and go to the Content tab, and essentially what you need to do is just check the short in analytics to see whether the real-time view count is increasing. So if we select one that we just uploaded, right, this one says 163. If we open it up, we could see it's now 222, right? And this is just one example. If analytics are increasing but the public view count is stuck, you don't usually need to change anything because YouTube can temporarily delay view counts while it processes and verifies views. If both numbers have stopped fully, you need to make sure the short is still set to public and check the restrictions section, as well as any copyright, age, or community guidelines restrictions. And also check the YouTube Shorts analytics to check whether it's still receiving traffic from the Shorts feed. If Shorts feed traffic is stopped, the video may have simply just stopped being distributed to new viewers, and you're going to want to avoid repeatedly deleting and re-uploading the video itself and just continue publishing new original shorts instead. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.